Let us now discuss the question number 13. It is given as if f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. So this is the matrix of f of x. Okay. Now what they are saying, show that f of x into f of y, this is equal to f of x plus y. We have to show this. Okay. So now what we can do here, this is f of x, this is the function in terms of x, so our matrix is in terms of y, x. Okay. So how can we solve this? If we want to write f of y, write given and write f of x value, then write f of y is equal to, in the places of x you have to write y, because here function in x, here all the trigonometric functions in x. Now if the function is in y, then your trigonometric function will be also in y. Sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. So this is the matrix. Okay. Then f of x plus y, how can we write this? In the place of x we have to substitute x plus y. So this will become cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0 sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0 1 0 0. This is what f of x plus y. Okay. So now what we have to do here, f of x, f of y, here LHS is what? LHS product. So right here LHS is equal to f of x into f of y. So write the f of x values, that is cos x minus sin x 0 0 1, here sin x cos x 0 0 1, and the f of y matrix is what it is, cos y minus sin y 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to do the multiplication first row with first column. Okay. Cos into cos x into cos y, cos x cos y plus sin x into sin y minus of sin x sin y. Okay. So next 0 into 0 plus 0. Now what we have to do? We have to do second column with first row. Sin x cos y. Sin x cos y plus cos y cos x sin y plus 0 into 0 0. Now third row with first column. 0 into 0 0 anything 0, 1 into 0 0. So all the elements are 0. So this is the first column. Now what we have to do, similarly each individual row is multiplied with the second column. So cos x into minus sin y minus sin y cos x plus minus sin x minus sin x cos y is what? Minus sin x cos y. Okay. And here it is cos x into minus, here plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. Okay, minus minus. Next sin x into sin y minus sin x sin y. Next cos x cos y plus cos x cos y, and then here 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0, 1 into 0 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. So now what we have to do, individual row with third column. Okay. So now see this term into anything into 0, anything into 0, 1 into 0 0. Now here anything into 0, anything into 0, anything into 0 0. Next here also 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 1 1. Okay. Understood? 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 1 1. So this is the matrix we get. Now here we have the formula for cos x cos y minus sin x sin y can be written as what? It is cos of x plus y. So this is the formula you have learnt in trigonometry. Okay. So here minus minus is there, no? So take minus as common. Sin x here cos x sin y plus sin x sin y. It is what? Sin of x plus y. And then it is 0. And here it is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. It is again what? Sin x plus y. And here if you see minus sin x sin y cos x cos y. So this will be what? It is cos of x plus y. Okay. And the remaining 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the matrix we are getting. Okay. So here it is what? Minus sin x sin y cos sin minus sin. So here all the function is in what? Cos of x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. Okay. So now see this is what? This is our f of x, f of y, product of these two functions. We have got this. Now compare this with this. So first element is f of x, cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y. Then it is minus sin of x plus y, sin of x plus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And then sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y. Now these two are equal, no? So we can write here f of x plus y. Therefore, f of x to f of y is equal to f of x plus y is proved. Okay, now so like this we can solve this question. In this question the key point is what? We have to know this formula of this sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is what? Sin of x plus y. And if both are same, sin like cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, then it will be in terms of cos of x plus y. Okay, so like this we can solve this type of question.